Vigor Run Tech, one top and leading RC grass mower manufacturer in China. Focus on the research and development of remote control and autopilot unmanned vehicles. Wheeled radio-controlled grass mower is our current main product. Widely used in lawn mowing, weed cutting and bush trimming, suitable for slope, steep incline, wasteland, roadside, orchards, gardens, wildfire prevention, orchards, and so on. The remotely controlled wheeled weed mower adopts CE and EPA-approved gasoline engine, operated by remote control up to 200 meters long distance, adjustable cutting height, travel speed up to 6 kilometers per hour, rechargeable batteries. Based on the in-depth understanding of our own products, we can provide the best after-sales services. We are looking for distributors and dealers all over the world. You are always welcome to contact us with any questions.